Hi everyone, and welcome back to Rover Tech Tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a powerful desktop application that converts PDF files into editable Word documents using Python. We call it PDF to DOCX Converter Pro, and it comes with a beautiful interface, smooth progress tracking, logging, and even a dark mode. Let's jump right into it. Our converter app is built with Python using the Tkinter library for the user interface, PDF2 docs for conversion, and PyPDF2 for reading PDF pages. We've also added threading to keep the app responsive, and a log system to monitor conversion activity. When you run the program, a sleek window titled PDF to DOCX Converter Pro opens up. At the top, you'll see the application name in bold blue text. Everything is neatly organized in one user-friendly window. Let's walk through the interface. First, we choose the PDF files we want to convert. Next, choose where you want to save the DOCX file. If you're converting multiple PDFs, they'll all be merged into a single document. Now click the green Convert button to start the process. Behind the scenes, the app calculates the total number of pages and updates the progress bar as each file is converted. The built-in logging area gives real-time feedback listing each PDF being processed, how many pages were converted, and more. All of this is also saved into a conversion_log.txt file. To make the app responsive, we added multi-threading. That means even during heavy conversions, your UI won't freeze. You can monitor the progress or cancel at any time. Alright, now let's check the converted file. Yes, it's successfully converted into a Word document. Let's open it and take a look. As you can see, there are no formatting issues at all. The conversion is crystal clear and closely matches the original PDF. Everything looks great. Now, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. To build this software, you'll need to have Python and VBNet installed on your computer. In this video, I won't go into how to install them, so please make sure they're already set up beforehand. Once that's done, go ahead and open Visual Studio Code by double-clicking its icon. You'll see a window like this. Next, click on File and select New File. From the drop-down, choose Python File and select a location to save it. In my case, I'm saving it to a folder on the desktop called PDF2 Word, and I'm naming the file pword.py. Please follow the video instructions carefully to get this right. Inside the same folder, you'll find a notepad document named Converter. Double-click to open it, select all the code, copy it, and paste it into the new Python file we just created, just like this. Now, go ahead and save the file. To run this application successfully, you'll need to install a few Python modules. I have listed them out like this. You can easily do that using the command prompt. And that's it, you're all set and ready to go. Let's run the program just like this. To download the full code and converter application, simply follow the link provided in the video description below. Inside the VS Code terminal, type the path of your Python file like this. Then press enter, then your PDF to Word converter application open like this. Okay, let's test the application. Download the source code and try to create your own converter, and you can develop this further with many advanced features. Yes, it works properly without any errors. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Rover YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this. See you in the next one.